Welcome! The Explore Occupations tab is simple yet sophisticated. We want to help your clients discover which careers will fit their strengths and interests in an engaged and meaningful manner. In Step 2, there are 12 ways for your clients to explore occupations. We will work through all 12 starting at assessment results. This section lets you match the 3 assessments plus combinations to occupations. We'll start with personality results. Because we have asked the program to sort for personality, all the jobs displayed will have a match for personality, but you will also notice that some jobs match other assessments as well. So let's take a closer look at those. You can see that clinical psychologist matches personality but also interests and values, and counseling psychologist matches personality but also values and a bright outlook. If your client wanted to explore counseling psychologist further, she would click into that job title. This would bring her to a wealth of information about this occupation. Now she can take her time and really look into it to decide if she might want to pursue it further. If she does, she can save it to her portfolio. She can now rate her interest in this job and give reasons for doing so. When she saves it, it will become part of her career saved list in her portfolio. It's likely that clients will choose one of their saved careers as a good fit and they'll want to pursue it further. This is the whole point of the Explore Occupations tab, to create a short list of occupations that fit your client's strengths and interests. Now we will explore combining results. Let's look at the logic. A powerful way to explore your results is to combine them. Let's say this circle represents all the jobs that matches one's personality, and this circle represents all the jobs that match one's interests. Some jobs will match both personality and interests. These are represented by the check mark and the overlap between the two circles. It makes sense that jobs matching both of your personality and your interests would be a better fit than jobs that just matched one of them. Some jobs will match all 3 assessments, including values. However, that is not always the case. In this example, if your client asked the program to find jobs that matched all 3 assessments, she would get no hits. If she combined personality and values, she would get some matches. If she combined interests and values, she would get some more matches. When people ask for combinations and don't get any results, they sometimes feel that something is wrong. However, there isn't anything wrong at all. Rather than see it as a problem, consider it as a golden opportunity to find out what's really important to them. A client looks for occupations he likes and clicks into them to explore further. Let's say that one that catches his eye matches his personality but not his interest. He should ask himself why that might be. After thinking about it, he might discover that the career he was attracted to is not such a good match, and now he will know why. To make this actually work, you can choose which combinations you want to find. In this case, we're choosing personality and interests. Now, all the occupations that are displayed will match both personality and interests. We can also search for all 3, and then the program will display only those occupations that match all 3 assessments. Let's look at some other ways of exploring occupations, starting with the name. You can find any occupation by its names or keywords associated with it. We can also explore by career clusters, those groups of occupations needing similar education and training. All the career clusters are listed, and in this case we'll take a closer look at the agricultural, food, and natural resources cluster. This brings up all the occupations in that cluster, but it also shows you which ones match your personality, interests, and values. This is a key feature of the TypeFocus program. No matter how you explore occupations, you will always see how the results of your exploration match your assessment results. Now let's explore for green jobs. As you can see, all the jobs listed are green, and let's turn our attention to skills. There is a checklist of 35 skills. The user can check off as many as they want. In this case, the user has checked 9 skills, and now we can look at the results. This is a display of the skills results. The results are displayed in order of the education needed and the number of skills matched. It starts with 9 because that is the number of skills we asked for. So the first set of occupations requires the highest education level and the highest match of skills, in this case 9 for 9. As you scroll down, the occupations matching 8 of 9 and then 7 of 9 are listed. In this case, this occupation is matching 7 of the 9 skills, and we're coming to the next level of education. And then the matches start at 9 again. Let's see how powerful this feature can be for a user. This is an example of an occupation found that needs graduate training. It matches all 3 assessments and has a bright outlook. This one needs a 4-year degree, matches 2 of the assessments, and is in the green sector. This one also matches or needs a 4-year degree, matches 2 assessments, and has a bright outlook. This one needs a 2-year diploma and matches all 3 assessments. Which one would be best for your client? Obviously, you can't tell, but the information presented gives the information your client needs to make a good decision. Let's move on to other ways of exploring. There are 37 programs of studies or majors listed, each one linked to the occupations related to it. If we click into Agriculture, Agricultural Operations, and Related Sciences, we will find the familiar display listing all those occupations, but also the assessment results. The same is true for knowledge. There will be a choice of 33 knowledge areas to choose from. If we pick Administration and Management, we will get those occupations listed. We even may want to compare 2 occupations. We can compare 2 occupations side by side. Supposing we want to compare accountants with auditors. We choose the 2 and then click on Submit. Now this 2 will be easy to compare. In summary, at the end of Step 2, Explore Occupations, your clients will have a chance to explore many different occupations along 12 dimensions. They will have saved several occupations to their portfolio that caught their attention. They are now ready to decide what training they need to get the job they want, and so they will proceed to Step 3, Setting Goals. Thank you. The Explore Occupations video is now over. Please contact us if you have any questions.